Hi friends, this is Siddhant from Bikes and Armors Indore. So today I'm going to show you one of the KTM RC 390s which we have recently fitted with Akrapovic inspired exhaust. Now you can take a look at the exhaust first. It looks almost like an original, and the piping and all that we have made is, no one can judge this is a genuine or a duplicate. Now the difference between the regular first copy or the duplicate exhaust and this one is that this is a extremely high quality exhaust, almost similar to what an original exhaust is. We have also got some little bit of customization on this bike, like this number plate we have made recently. It is customized as per the requirement of the customers. You have got a tank pad here, a fuel cap cover. Now this was a stock bike earlier, but the customer wanted it to sound loud, so we have installed this beautiful exhaust in this machine. I will start and show you the sound. Because we want to keep the bike intact. So closing up, just check out this exhaust. If you want to order, you can contact us.